How to fix the Outlook web not loading on Chrome. So here I am in the Outlook web application using the Chrome browser. So if you are having problems with opening the Outlook application right here, or in other words, the Outlook web application, what we can do is a few things. So from here, what we can do first is that we can delete the cache files and cookie data of Outlook. So to do that, just go to the three dots right here and then go to settings. From here, go to privacy and security. Then you can use third-party cookies. So from here, see all site data and permissions. Then find Outlook. From here, you will see microsoftonline.com and then it says 22 cookies. And then from here, it will delete the cookies and the cache files of Outlook web application. So just go ahead and delete that. And then keep in mind that when you do this, it will also delete the site data and permissions for microsoftonline.com and all sites under it. So keep in mind that you will be signed out of these websites. Any offline data will be deleted and then your chosen permissions will be removed. So just go ahead and click delete. And then don't worry, because what you just need to do is that you just need to log in to your account again. And then see if the problem is now fixed, and then the Outlook application or web application should now be working. So if it's still not working, what we can do is that we can reset your internet connection. So to do that, we can open the command prompt right here and then click run as administrator. From here, you can use these commands right here. So ipconfig //DNS and then enter that. This one, netsh winsock reset, and then last one, netsh and IP reset. So from here, you need to restart your computer first to complete the action. So just go ahead and restart your computer and see if the problem is now fixed. If the problem is now fixed, we can do one other solution. So we can go to the control panel. Then from here, go to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and then it's either you are using the Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So just choose what you are using. Then go to Properties. From here, go to this one, IPv4, then click Properties again. From here, we can change the DNS server. So I'm just going to use the Google public DNS, but if you want to use other DNS, you can also go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to use this one, the Google public DNS, which is the 8888 and 8844. So from here, click use the following DNS server addresses. So 8888 and 8844. Click OK, close this, and then try to reload the Outlook web again to see if it's now working. And then now the problem should now be fixed. So that is how we can fix the Outlook web application not loading on Chrome. So hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.